निफ्टी 50 और सेंसेक्स में जो आज की रैली थी वो क्या सस्टेन कर पाएगी? यस, ट्रंप ने टैरिफ्स को पॉज कर दिया है, लेकिन अनसर्टेनिटी अभी तक कम नहीं हुई है, स्पेशली आफ्टर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग बिटवीन चाइना एंड यूएस। तो आगे मार्केट का मूड कैसा रहेगा? लेट्स आस्क अहाना चैटर्जी फ्रॉम अपस्टॉक्स। हाय अहाना, क्या लग रहा है? व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट फॉर द मार्केट्स?
Hi. So the Indian stock market gained today. We saw a good rally during the day and it closed on a positive note. But analysts and experts have said that we are not very sure that this is going to sustain or not. Everything depends on further cues from the tariff situation. The US has halted 26% tariff on India, which it for 90 days. This led to the rally in the market. On the last trading day, Wednesday, there was a decline. So we have to wait for further cues from the US to see, what happens next in the market. No, one cannot because there is no other thing that is triggering the market right now at the moment. Sectors like metal, pharma, auto, oil and gas, this has been in news since the tariff thing has started. The auto sector, metal, these have rallied today, but the auto sector faces a 25% tariff from US, and it was not mentioned whether that tariff is halted or not. So the investors will be cautious about it, and let's see what happens in that sector. And also coming to another discussion, which a lot of experts have said about the recession. There was a lot of discussion about recession going to hit US in later in the year. Even the JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon has also said that US is going to face. So if that happens, the IT sector will be under pressure. So we have to wait and watch what happens for further cues and what happens in the market.
थैंक्स आना फॉर दिस अपडेट। आई होप आपको इस वीडियो से हेल्प होगी। हिट लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर सच अपडेट्स।
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.